Understanding the bowler's grip in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, bowler's grip. This term is unique and might be unfamiliar to many of you. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and origins to enhance your English language skills. The phrase, bowler's grip, originates from the sport of cricket. In cricket, a bowler is a player who delivers the ball to the batsman. The way this player holds the ball is termed as the bowler's grip. This grip is crucial as it determines the ball's trajectory and spin. But how does this relate to everyday English? In everyday English, bowler's grip is used metaphorically. It refers to having a firm and controlled handle on a situation. Just like a cricket bowler must control the ball precisely, having a bowler's grip on something means managing it with skill and confidence. For example, she had a bowler's grip on the project, ensuring every detail was perfect. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In work, John had a bowler's grip on the negotiations, leading us to a successful deal. In personal life, despite the challenges, she maintained a bowler's grip on her emotions. In academics, he has a bowler's grip on his studies, consistently achieving top grades. While bowler's grip is unique, there are similar phrases in English that convey control or mastery, such as having a firm grip or in full control. Understanding these variations helps in grasping the nuances of the language. I hope this explanation of the bowler's grip adds a unique phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is full of such interesting terms, each adding color and precision to our expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.